We are making black cat cookies. Chocolate cutout cookies decorated to look like black cats, and we are using a recipe that is over 100 years old from the Settlement Cookbook. The ingredients for the chocolate cookies are a half a cup of butter, 1 cup sugar, 1 egg, a fourth of a teaspoon salt, 2 squares 2-ounce chocolate, 2.5 cups flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/4 cup milk. Cream the butter with the sugar. The butter has been creamed with the sugar. The next step is to beat the egg. Now we're adding the beaten egg to the butter mixture. Now we're going to melt the chocolate. We are using unsweetened baking chocolate for this recipe. The chocolate is now melted and we'll add it to the batter. Now the chocolate is being stirred into the batter. Now we're adding a pinch of salt into the mixture. Now the flour is being sifted with the baking powder. Now we're adding the flour, and then you have to alternate with the milk. Now the dough has been mixed and we have to chill it in the refrigerator, at least an hour. Now it is time to roll the dough to make the cutout cookies. We're decorating the cookies, and the first thing we're doing is putting the eyes on. These are the eyes that we made with the M&Ms and used the edible markers. We're using the brown M&Ms cut in half for the noses. We're using different colored licorice for the whiskers and the mouth. Each cat looks unique. We're using black sugar sprinkles for fur. I'm baking these in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes because we like them nice and crunchy.